We've got a quick peek at a Wiad Grand Hotel HO plastic model kit. New in box and seems to be complete, but with one oddity. From what I understand, the kits were produced in the early 1960s. It's probably why the box art is an illustration and not a photo. It's a nice illustration, I like it. It's kind of its own art that you don't see these days in the world of computer graphics and AI enhancements. The early versions had this hardboard base with the green flock. Later kits would have an injection molded base. There were a fair number of nice detail parts that came with this, and for being in the early 1960s, they actually look pretty decent. Some kits were very crude from this time frame, but this one actually looks really good. I suspect it was early on in the run, and the molds were very clean, so you get to see a lot of the detail. The sign is a kind of fiber optic, and you can put a bulb inside and have it shine up through the beer and light up the hotel sign. The elevator can be made operable if you put a piece of thread through there, and some versions of this kit actually have a motor that would run the elevator up and down. A lot of really good plastic parts in this kit. The stairs are nicely done, kind of have a marbling effect on them. Don't think I'd want to try to walk up them in the rain. It'd probably be pretty slippery. It even had some ground foam that's meant to go into the planters. Some lithographed brick and awnings. It's a nice touch to have the awnings fold so the scalloped edges can dangle down. The sign is in very good shape, except the top part of the Grand is broken, but in many of the pictures that I saw that seemed to be the case, and they had different colors and none of them seemed to hold up well. Here's a good close-up of that texture, and really no flash on this kit to speak of. It would be very easy to clean it up and start building it. And here I tried to match up the pieces in the kit to what was in the directions, and they all seem to be there. And a few of the auction sites I was able to see other kits, and it does appear that this one is complete, maybe minus some thread for the elevator. And here's the one oddity, this set of animals and people that look like they belong on a farm. Maybe ducks stay at this hotel and you can get a horse ride. Even the window parts are very nicely done. The corrugated panels are sunshades that can be attached anywhere the builder wants to put them. The instructions didn't really have a suggestion for placement on those. There were variants of this kit. There was an administration building, a bank, this hotel, and a Coca-Cola bottling facility. Although the hotel seemed to garner the most attention on the internet. This kit was part of a collection that I became the steward of from a family who had a distant relative that had a hardware store that closed many years ago, and the store closed up and just kind of everything got shut down. It sat dormant for many years until the family came and cleaned it out, and these kits that had never been sold along with some model trains were in the collection, and family didn't want to throw it away, so they asked if I would take care of it and preserve it for others to enjoy.